Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can edit your Canva templates in just a few minutes and make them look really professional. This process is very beginner friendly, and Canva itself is simple to use. You can easily create outstanding graphics and visuals. Make sure you go to canva.com, and if you haven't created your account yet, now is the time to do so. Create an account to access all the features available on Canva. This is what the interface looks like after you have created your account. And in the search bar, you can search for templates and look them up. You can see how professional many of them look. These are the pro templates, which you can access with a free account, but there are many other free templates as well. You can find whatever you need. If you want a logo, there are logo templates too. I want one of these, and this one happens to be free as well. So let's customize it. Once you've selected a template, you have access to all the features you need. I want to change the name, so I can just edit it. Everything is very accessible. If you want to change the color, you can easily change the color as well. To do this, just select the object, and that's it. Also, if you want to add any elements you want, there are shapes, graphics, animations, and photos available. I want to add a graphic element, so I'll add a shape. Then I'll customize it. If you want to move it back, go to the layer and send it to the back. Let me change the color of the text now. Go to the back. If you want to change the text color, select the text and you can see how I changed it. So in this way, you can edit everything. Talking about the tools, under the Elements tab, you can add any graphics, animations, photos, or videos, and those features are all available. If you want to resize, just note that resizing is a paid feature and is only available on the paid account. This is the editing and commenting option. If you add comments, everyone can view them. And about other tools, this is an editing panel. You can upload your own videos and photos as well. There is another tool where you can simply draw. As for the projects, these are the projects you've already created in your account, and you can also add apps from here. There are more features that we'll cover in a later video. If you want to delete something, just select it and here is the delete option, or you can simply press the backspace button. Once your design is ready and everything is set, just navigate to the share option and download it from here. You can download in any format you want, JPG, PNG, PDF, whatever you prefer, just select that format and download. Your Canva template will be exported, and that's it. It's very simple. Canva is a great site for beginners, and within a few minutes, you can design any graphic or visual you want. Logos, Instagram posts, social media posts, banners, thumbnails, videos for stories, anything visual you like. If you still have any questions about Canva, just comment below and I will reply. If you need a specific video about Canva, comment down below and I'll try to make it. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video.